Hi guys, I've got a fun little project for you today. After my last video, I weighted my pattern down with just random pieces of stuff I have around the room. And I thought, I really ought to make some pattern weights. I've been thinking about these for a while, but I've just never taken the time to actually go do it. What I've done is I went to Home Depot and I bought some, these are 3/4 inch middle diameter, 2-inch wide washers, flat washers. And what I have done is I have taken them and covered them in 1-inch strips of fabric. So you're going to need, for this project, some hot glue, some scrap fabric or fat quarters that you can cut into 1-inch strips, rotary cutter or scissors if you prefer, and a ruler. So I have already done several. So what I'm going to do is take my plain washer and put a dab of hot glue on it. And then I'm going to take my 1-inch strip of fabric, printed side up, and I'm just going to glue that down just to give it something to hold on to. And then I'm going to start wrapping the fabric around the washer through the hole in the middle. And I was thinking about this, and you could probably use ribbon also, maybe like a 1-inch or 3/4 inch ribbon. Might be really nice. And then you wouldn't have the frayed edges. I don't really mind the frayed edges. And then you're just going to keep wrapping until you have covered the entire washer. And I'm not trying to be super precise with this. If it folds over a little bit, if it wrinkles, I'm not really worried about that. This is just a fun little extra project. So I'm going to go all the way around until I have covered the entire washer. I'm just going to give that one more wrap there. And then I'm going to cut it off with about an extra inch here. Because what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this extra inch and I'm going to fold it in half just to hide the raw edges. And then I'm just going to kind of fold the corners in and make like a little ribbon point. I don't know if you guys can see that. So yeah, I'm just folding that over just to make a smaller surface for the hot glue. I'm going to put another dab of hot glue on there. And then I'm just going to stick this down to it. Yeah, I'm just peeling off the excess hot glue that's squished out from underneath. You don't have to do that. I'm just a little bit OCD about these things. And then if you want, you can just go back through and trim off any extra threads that might be, maybe they popped loose while you were threading this around. Like I said, I'm not super concerned about that. Just for posterity's sake, I guess. And there you go. Just a cute little covered washer that you can use now as a pretty little pattern weight. They're weighty enough to hold down your fabric, and just a fun little project. I don't know. I saw this online sometime in the last 12 years or so, in the last little bit that I've been sewing. And I've always thought that they're really cute and thought, hey, that would be a good little project. And since I didn't have any pattern weights the other day, and it's fun. You can take and make yourself a little collection of matching ones, match your sewing room or, whatever. I like these little ones. They have this kind of French provincial kind of patterning to them, flowers and blues and reds. So yeah, just a fun little project. Hopefully you find this project fun. If you do, make sure you like and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel. You might find, aside from sewing projects, sometimes I like to do crafty little things like this. So you might see more of these. If you liked it, let me know. If you've got any neat little tricks that you have used to weight patterns down, let me know that in the comment section below. I'd love to have a conversation with you guys about what you're doing or what you want to do. Neat little tricks and tips, I guess, that we can share with each other. Yeah, so I guess that's it. Have a great day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.